Step 1, find a stock you want to own. The first step to take when looking to buy stocks by selling puts is to find a stock that you would like to own. After all, in the end, when you employ this strategy, you are hoping to own the stock as part of your portfolio. And since you wouldn't just go out and buy any old stock in a standard stock trade, you shouldn't just settle for any old stock when implementing this strategy. This may seem obvious, but when we get into the next step, you will see that if you don't start with step 1, it is easy to be tempted to simply sell puts on the stocks that are offering the highest premium, which can be a big mistake. When you're looking for stocks you would like to own, make sure you look for stocks with strong fundamentals, especially in turbulent markets, because they have a good chance of rebounding faster than other stocks.